Hey guys, Ryan with Crutchfield Automotive. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life maintenance light in your GX460. Takes 8.2 quarts of 020 synthetic. What you're going to do, without pressing the brake pedal so it doesn't crank, is you're going to turn it to accessory. You're going to get the odometer trip button and you're going to go to, it says trip A. Now I'm going to hold it down, turn the key off. Let's see if I can do that without dropping the phone. Probably not. Alright, anyway. I'm gonna hold it down. I'm gonna turn it to off. Cool. We're off. Then I'm gonna turn it back to on. You're gonna see it saying resetting maintenance data. Now I have not let go, there we go, of this button yet. Once it's done through that little life bar, let go, and you've reset your maintenance light. Super easy.